Recent reports suggest that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra may come with a higher price tag compared to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. This anticipated increase is primarily attributed to the elevated production costs associated with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is expected to power the device. This chipset is reportedly significantly more expensive to produce than the one used in the S24 Ultra, potentially increasing costs by over $100 per unit. While Samsung has not officially confirmed the pricing details, it is plausible that the company might pass on these additional costs to consumers, resulting in a higher retail price for the S25 Ultra. The exact pricing strategy and other details are expected to be revealed closer to the device's anticipated announcement in early 2025. Until then, potential buyers should stay informed and prepared for a potential increase in cost.